How to make money with affiliate marketing without a website. Hello guys, I'm Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how others are making anywhere from $100 to $300 per day using this particular technique. And no, they do not have a website, or it doesn't cost them $1, no investment at all. All it takes is just a bit of your time. If this sounds good to you and sounds like something that you would like to give a try, be sure to hit the like button and also watch the video until the end, as I will not only be showing you examples of persons that are currently doing this, but I'll also show you how you can start doing this. The platform that I'm talking about is YouTube, and as you can see right here, I'm currently on a YouTube channel by the name of Consumer Body. The reason why YouTube would be a better platform to me than creating a website is, one, you don't have to pay for a domain name or web hosting or nothing like that you'll normally have to do to create a website, as you can create a YouTube channel for completely free with your email address. And as you can see here, this person posts top 3 and top 5 products, and he is an affiliate of Amazon. If you should tap on one of their videos, for example this one right here I had opened earlier, and if you scroll down and go to the description area, you can see that they have placed links to the products that they have in their video. Now you may be wondering, how will you be able to create a video like this? Well, it's actually quicker and easier than you think, as all you'll need to do is download Video Downloader Professional, and this is a free plugin that you can download to your Mac or PC. And once you go onto Amazon.com, you'll simply sign up as an affiliate, which is quick and easy and completely free again. All you'll need is your email address, and you will use your new YouTube channel as your link to promote it. As you can see here, I'm currently on Amazon.com, and let's say for example I wanted to promote this electric vegetable chopper. By simply scrolling down after you have selected the product, most Amazon products you will see some videos that are placed here by the maker of the product. Once you highlight the product, you will realize that Video Downloader, as you can see right here, the plugin, it shows if I want to download the video. You will simply download this video, and it will be the video that you'll upload on YouTube like this person is doing right here. And all you'll have to do is find keywords, and again, as you can see right here in this section where you see tags, you can see all of the keywords that he's currently using. And to get the plugin that does this is TubeBuddy, and it's completely free. I would recommend that if you are planning to give this a shot, that you would download this plugin and give it a go. As you can see right here, you can see the keywords that he's targeting and how highly he's ranked. After you have done that, you can go over to canva.com. So first you're going to go onto Amazon, find the products that you would like to promote, and you're going to download the videos. Then you're going to go onto canva.com, and canva.com is the platform that you're going to use to combine the products to make the video. And Canva is a free platform. You will simply download the products, then tap on the video, and you're going to create the video, and you're also going to use Canva to create your thumbnail. Once you have done that, you will go back to YouTube and you will post your video, and with the tags that you have gotten from TubeBuddy and from your competition, you will simply upload your video, and you'll add your affiliate link in the description just like this person does, and you will start making money online. This is one of the best and easiest ways to make money online as an affiliate without a website or without any form of investment. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.